Now students, now we'll take the fifth question. This is a very important question. The figure is there. In this figure, this line L, it's given. You can read the question. This line bisects this angle. Means angle 1. That means this angle, this line is bisecting this angle. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given. And these two are 90 degrees. That means angle Q and angle P, they are 90 degrees. These two things are given. Now show that these two triangles. Now here the two triangles are been formed. That is triangle APB is show that this is congruent to AQB. These two triangles I have to show they are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, so very easily I can say okay, this side is equal to this side. This is by CPCT. Clear? Chalo, we'll do the solution. Now which are the two triangles? In triangle ABP and triangle AQB. Okay, I have taken these two triangles. So we have, now let us see what are the things which are given here. See, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is a bisector. So bisector means it divides the angle into two equal parts. This is given. And angle Q is equal to angle P. This is equal to 90 degrees. This is also given. And what is the because I need three things. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and this is equal to 90 and this is the common side of the both the triangles. That means AB is equal to BA. This is common. अब बताइए कौन सा रूल बनता है, ध्यान से देखिए कौन सा रूल बनता है. देखिए angle side, the same thing that which we have done in the previous question. Angle side. So this is by AS congruency rule triangle ABP is congruent to triangle AQB. अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट है इसका मतलब ये हो गया. सो BP is equal to BQ. दिस इज बाई CPCT. क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट है इसका मतलब ये दो साइड्स भी इक्वल है. मुझे लगता है अभी जो 4 सम्स मैंने कर दिए इससे आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया मिल गया होगा कि कैसे हमने वी हैव टू टेक द ट्राइंगल्स एंड देन व्हाट आर द साइड्स विच आर गिवन इक्वल, व्हाट आर द एंगल्स विच आर बीन गिवन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट कि which by which congruency rule these two triangles are congruent. So I have told you in the previous video also, please go through the congruency rules again and again, because until if you are not thorough with the congruency rule, it's very difficult to solve these questions. Clear? So practice the congruency rule and then start solving this question. इसको एक बार देख के करिए and then you do it without seeing. ठीक है? Again you practice it, and the more if you more you practice, the concepts will be more clear. Clear? Thank you.